Come test drive the 2017 Hyundai Accent. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel efficient, and safe. A winning combination. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, front wheel drive, CD player, MP3 player, bucket seats, trip computer, power windows, power door locks, child safety locks, passenger airbag, rear head airbag, brake assist. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.